Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make chicken Kalmi Kabab, a delicious starter recipe. Please note down the ingredients. For 2 kg chicken, into a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, 1/4 TSP turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 7 to 8 green chilies very finely chopped, 2 tablespoons cashew paste, half TSP pepper powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, half TSP garam masala powder, 1 TSP chaat masala powder, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of cream. Cream is optional here. Few coriander leaves very finely chopped. Mix everything well. The marinade is now ready. Add the marinade to the chicken. Add little water to the leftover marinade and add it to the chicken. Mix everything well and let the masala coat the pieces very well. Leave the marinated chicken in the refrigerator for minimum an hour or maximum overnight. If overnight, you can keep it in the freezer. To fry the chicken, heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil heats up, add the chicken pieces one by one. Pour some masala over the chicken pieces. Fry until cooked well and browned on both the sides. Our yummy and delicious chicken Kalmi Kabab is ready. Serve it hot. This is a delicious starter recipe for any occasion. Do try this recipe and let me know how well you liked it. Thanks for all your support up to now. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and take care.